How to fix DoorDash driver login error. So if you are facing this issue, first and foremost tap open your DoorDash and make sure that you have given a certain break with this application login try. If the issue still persists, try to check for a Wi-Fi connection. Disable your Wi-Fi and enable your mobile data and try again. If it does not solve anything, try to turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Then again try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. If it does not help, press and hold your DoorDash application and go to App Info. Force stop your application, then tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, open your Play Store application or App Store if you are using Apple and search for DoorDash. Right here, check for an update. If there is no update, the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Another thing is, maybe DoorDash is not accessible in your country or region. If that's the case, join a VPN and try to log in to your DoorDash, and I bet it should work. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.